The blinking green light on a Ziggo modem can be caused by several issues, including damaged or incorrectly installed coaxial cables. To address this problem, it is essential to examine the coaxial cables and ensure they are properly installed in their designated ports. If the cables are damaged, replacement is necessary to resolve the issue. Additionally, ongoing maintenance in the area may be the culprit, in which case contacting the internet service provider can confirm whether this is the case. And patience is required until the maintenance is completed. In some instances, a power cycle may be the solution, which involves unplugging the modem from the power source, waiting about 1 minute to allow the internal parts to shut down completely, and then plugging it back in to restart. If none of these solutions work, it may be necessary to seek the assistance of a technician to troubleshoot and fix the problem.